Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Petit-Matane is a charming community nestled within the larger town of Matane, in Quebec's stunning Gaspé Peninsula. This peaceful place is a hidden gem on the south shore of the St. Lawrence River, offering breathtaking views and a relaxing atmosphere. It is a quiet community, perfect for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle. The region is famous for its natural beauty and outdoor activities. Matane's river, known as a school river for fly fishing, is a hotspot for anglers. Nearby, you can visit the iconic Matane Lighthouse, now a tourist information center with panoramic views. The local economy thrives on its natural resources, including Matane shrimp, which are prized for their quality. The region is also a leader in green energy, hosting Quebec's largest wind farm. These innovations blend seamlessly with the area's deep respect for nature. Whether you're here for the history, the views, or simply to relax, Petit-Matane offers a unique slice of Quebec's beauty and charm.
Thanks for watching!